When it comes to refrigerator maintenance, one of the most critical components that often goes unnoticed until it fails is the control board. This tiny piece of technology is the brain behind your refrigerator, controlling temperature, defrost cycles, and essentially ensuring your fridge operates smoothly. That's why when I stumbled upon the CoreCentric Remanufactured refrigerator control board replacement for Whirlpool models W10235503 and WPW10235503, I knew I had to share my findings with you. First things first, this control board is a remanufactured part, which means it has been brought back to life with the same precision and functionality as a brand new part, but at a fraction of the cost. This is not only good for your wallet but also for the environment, as it contributes to reducing electronic waste. The part is designed to replace several models including WPW10235503, AP60174676, W10235503, and PS11750774, making it a versatile solution for many Whirlpool refrigerator owners facing issues with their appliance's electronic control system. Installing this control board was a breeze. With basic tools and a little bit of patience, I was able to remove the faulty board and install the new CoreCentric board without any hiccups. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.